The pharmaceutical form of vitamin B12 is called cyanocobalamin. The other names include anti-pernicious anemic factor, Castle's extrinsic factor. Causes of vitamin B12 deficiency include inadequate ingestion. This is mainly seen in stupid vegans, chronic alcoholic, and poor people. Drugs like metformin, which is taken by type 2 diabetics, causes low serum vitamin B12 levels in the body. The intrinsic factor, which is a mucoprotein that facilitates vitamin B12 absorption in the human body. Inadequate or absence of secretions of the intrinsic factor due to congenital or hereditary reasons, gastric atrophy, gastrectomy, endocrine disorders associated with gastric damage can cause vitamin B12 deficiency. Parasitic infestations such as fish tapeworm can remove vitamin B12 from the gut. But why is vitamin B12 so important for human existence? It's involved in biochemical processes which is essential for DNA synthesis. It promotes growth and division of the cells. Vitamin B12 is essential for the synthesis of myelin, which is a white sheath of lipoprotein that surrounds many nerve fibers. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes megaloblastic anemia, pernicious anemia, and neurological problems. A combined therapy of vitamin B12 and vitamin B9 is generally employed to treat people with megaloblastic anemia. RDA of vitamin B12 is 2.2 micrograms per day for a healthy adult female and male. Vitamin B12 rich foods include sheep liver, eggs, beef, mutton, buffalo milk, cow's milk. Emphasis should be laid on educating both the health functionaries and general population about anemia. Supplementation of vitamin B9, vitamin B12 and its magical, miraculous uses. Feel free to ask your doubts about nutrition in the comment section below. Education about nutrition is crucial in the prevention of lifestyle diseases. Hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा